The part 2 topic I'm going to talk about today is to describe a programme on television that you like to watch. So if you want to see the full question and the cues, have a look in the description. I have to admit that watching television is probably quite a bad habit of mine. I wouldn't say I'm a couch potato, but I do probably watch more television than I should. I think this is because in my home country of the UK, we have lots of great drama, and we also have a lot of reality TV shows which are quite entertaining to me. The show I'm going to talk about today, however, is one that I know is popular all around the world, and it's a programme called MasterChef. Now, this is a show about cooking, and it's actually a competition. So you get amateur home cooks who kind of come to the studio, and they all have to cook for example, their signature dish, which is a meal that they cook often at home and that they would say that they are particularly good at making. And whoever cooks the best version of their dish is able to go through to the next round of the competition. So there's a competitive element that makes it really exciting, as well as a creative aspect, which I enjoy, and I really like to see the concoctions that the chefs create and how they present their dishes as well. Often the dishes look very beautiful. They have to make them quite colourful, and they'll put all sorts of things on the plate and arrange the layout of the plates in such a way so that it's pleasing to the eye, as well as kind of being really delicious and mouth-watering and scrumptious when you eat it. The judges are quite strict, so if they don't like a dish, they will criticise quite harshly the contestant, which sometimes makes me feel sorry for the participants in the show. But you know, it's a competition, so I think that it's necessary sometimes to give feedback that's negative as well as positive. But anyway, this makes it a particularly exciting programme to watch, and it's one of my favourites.